Who says we don't park tight? Hmm? You guys see that? Parking tight. That's a tight parking.
We are 4x4, baby. You guys can hear me, but we are doing 4x4. Ah, man, come on, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Not get stuck in this mud. She's heavy. Come on, we're gonna go manual mode here. Muddy day, guys. Muddy day. There we go. Got some rocks now. Oh. Everything's shaking up in here. Yes, sir. Okay.
I have a lady standing up there kind of over on the and asked me about the middle.
Okay.
Just pull up where she stops you at. I'll have these guys come and get you and they'll take you out.
Okay. They're gonna take us to a different site, and hopefully it's not super muddy. We almost got stuck over there, going around this corner. But if you give it enough push, you'll get through it. You just gotta, don't go too slow. You go too slow, you get stuck. Keep the momentum going, put it on manual mode, put your 6x4, lock that differential out, get it going. The lady. She brave. She brave. I see it, I see it. Got the mirror over there real quick. All right. Woo. Thank you, guys. I want to say good morning, Miss Nyla. Hey, good morning, guys. Ooh, skinny time. Good morning. What up, guys? Well, like playing in the mud? Check this out. Muddy day. It's a muddy day. Yep. Muddy day. We are getting unloaded. See you right there. Probably can see those guys getting unloaded. Yeah, who say we don't play? Big boys can't play in the mud, huh? Definitely playing in the mud today. Hopefully the next one's dry, because see, I try to concentrate the dirt on this truck to right there, like right there. That section, there's a little bit of spill right there, but past this point, I want no mud. Try to keep it right there. Just muddy boots. Muddy boots, muddy pants. You know what that means, right? Laundry this weekend. Yeah, these were clean pants. I should have kept the ones I had yesterday. But we'll stay like this to the end of the day. So we're gonna finish getting unloaded here. It's gonna take a minute because all that mud, and then we'll keep on going after this. They want me to stay in the truck. One thing you gotta keep in mind. You know what? Let me just sit you up so my arms doesn't get all tired. Well, that's a little better, right? So one thing to keep in mind is when you're on the work sites, you're on the job sites, every job site has their own rules. I'll put the window up a little bit. I know I made that mistake in the last video. But every job site has their own rules. Some job sites will let you stay outside away from the trailer, but if you're like doing your straps and whatnot, you can do them, you know, further up or in the back, and you know, still working right there before, you know, as they unload you. Of course, being safe. In this case, you know, every job site you're gonna have your hard hat with you, which got mine right here. Like you guys haven't seen it. I got this one before I started. If we shake a little bit, you guys know what's up. But you know, have your hard hat, your safety glasses, your vest. I'm glad I decided to put this. I almost put my personal sweater. It's a little chilly, but I was like, hey, I gotta put my work one because it's full of mud. But not too bad. It's just the straps, you know, get a load of the straps. But basically, you have all your full gear. Make sure you have your steel-toe boots. What I do is in the morning, if I know I'm gonna unload, that's what I put on. Some guys put them on later. I just put them on, have them all day. You guys can let me know in the comments if you're the driver that like takes them out, put sandals or tennis shoes after you're done in between loads or whatever. In this case, I don't have a lot of room all over the truck, and especially since it's all muddy, I do not want to get the whole floor mud, because that's more I have to clean later on. So I keep them right here on this mat, and just under the dash, I have my tennis shoes, and I have that's where I put the boots at. If anything, I'll put a plastic bag right there in a little bit before I move in that direction, so I can put the boots right there later today. Just make sure you have all your gear on. Make sure you have your hard hat, your safety glasses, and every site is a little different. Some want you in a truck like we are right now. Some, are okay for you to continue, picking up your equipment while they unload. So I have, just be flexible, be courteous to the work guys. They're here doing their. Whoa. He pulled out 2 pieces. Let me show you guys. Like all the wood fell over. Well, you guys can see that. I know I don't have a zoom lens, guys, so I'm sorry, but anyway, just be courteous to the guys that are working here. I know some guys can be a-holes, but you don't have to be one back necessarily. That's up to you. Just remember, you're representing yourself, even as an owner op. If any of you guys watch this and you guys can agree or disagree with me down there, of course, I won't take disrespect, but as a company driver, if I'm being disrespected, I'll be quiet. I'll turn around. I'll just call my office and DM and let them know what's up and let them handle it from there. But I haven't had any issues. I begin every conversation with a courteous, hello, good morning, what's up, flexible. I'm here, I want to get unloaded, and they're there doing their job, whether it's Mondays or whether it's Friday and they want to go home. So, and that works for me 99% of the time. So that's what it is. So we're gonna finish getting unloaded, guys, and we'll see what we have next, and I will catch you guys up when I find out.
Who says we don't park tight? You guys see that? Parking tight.
That's a tight parking. What you guys think? I should have put the GoPro, but there's not enough space. I didn't have time to do it. Nyla, get off. This girl. No. Talk to the guys. Man, every time I pull the camera, she wants to be in front of it. Yeah, I didn't have time. I was on the way. It's kind of an incline with a bunch of guys in line trying to get in, so I didn't have time to kind of pull the GoPro and have you guys check out the backing. But you guys see how tight it is on both sides. It's the same way. This is not the worst. I think my second load, I think it was actually a little bit less space. I only have about 2 inches on this side, 2 to 3 inches on this side left. No exaggeration. This was not that bad, but we're waiting here to get loaded. We'll get loaded. We're strapped. It's a no tarp load. It's crates. It's first time here. An X strap on top in the front, but we'll get loaded, and then I'll get back to you guys when we're on the way and let you know where we are going with this load. Well, what's up, guys? It's the evening. I've taken a shower. We got to the truck stop where we're gonna end up for the night. We're on exit 201 in a Flying J off of 75 south or north. We're heading south. I don't know if I told you. I don't think I did, but this load that we picked up today, it is actually has 2 stops. One is in just the border of Georgia and was in Florida, Yulee. I think it's Yulee, Florida, what is mentioned. And the second stop is in straight up Miami, Florida. Now there is a predicament on this load, and that is that I was hoping I was going to be able to deliver one tomorrow, being Saturday, and then the other one Monday. But it turns out that the first customer, the first drop, cannot pick up this load or can I receive this load? Apparently till Tuesday. First it was Monday, and then it got changed to Tuesday morning, which means that I wouldn't get to Miami till Wednesday, which would be the next day. And if today is Friday, so you do the math on that. I was given the option, or at least asked if I wanted to try to see if they could repower the load. My DM offered that, but my hopes were not up. I decided, I told her, yeah, if you can find a repower, because I'd rather run after I'd already done a reset earlier this week. And of course, mile watch, that's important. But didn't have my high hopes on it. Didn't get any information back in the late afternoon. So I'm driving tomorrow. I drove about 3 hours, went through Chattanooga traffic. You guys saw a little bit of that, in Atlanta in a Friday afternoon. So I just decided to just drive to this spot. I've been here before. It's pretty cool. You stop at 201 and 75. There is a barbecue cart out there, and there is truck parking right in front of that barbecue as well. As long as you buy food, you can park there for free or pay for the parking. There's a Waffle House, there is a Love's, TA, and a Pilot on the other side of 75 on 201 as well, but the Love's is very small, like very small. And I just never, when I drove by there, it doesn't feel as clean as it does on this side. So I came over here. This one's bigger. Some of the parking spots in this one are tight. Luckily, I eventually found one that was easier for me to back in, and there was a bunch of guys trying to park as well, so they were all over the place. But it's been an interesting day. A little bit frustrated with the fact that I am probably most likely gonna be sitting for 3 days as of tomorrow. So I got 5 more hours to the nearest truck stop that we can be, which is a couple of Pilots, one on each side of the highway of 75 or 95 south. It's about 4 hours 15 minutes from us, and that's where I'm going to be tomorrow, and that's where I'm going to stop, and most likely be there till Tuesday morning where I can roll. So unfortunately, that I wanted to do the daily video things, I guess I will have to do some more of the topics that I had in mind to do. So I'll work on that, I guess, and work on other videos that I still have to edit from last week, like I told you guys. But it is what it is. This is part of what we have to deal with. It is my first time dealing with something this extensive as far as the length of time to a delivery. I'm not, Miami kind of, you feel it's cool, you're going to Miami. Well, you're going like straight downtown Miami. And what sucks about Miami, and you guys will find out a little bit later, no, I'll leave that till we actually get there and then show you guys. How about that? But that's it, guys. I'm gonna actually try to edit this quick video right now. It is actually past 11 o'clock over here in the Eastern time, and but I don't really have a rush or time to wake up tomorrow, so I'm gonna edit this and post it for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned, watch one of those videos, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thanks for watching. I hope you're liking the content and the new, more consistent videos on here, more of our daily stuff. So we'll see you in the next one. Wolf Rider out. Peace.